So it feels like we're on like day 100 of working on Turd and we haven't gotten anywhere yet. So let's go see what the boys are up to. Seriously though, what are you guys working on this weekend?
Finishing the rear frame repair and finishing the shackle reversal, inversion, whatever they want to call it.
This frame repair was one of the reasons why Dwayne stopped wheeling Turd.
Floating. Now we're gonna cut this off.
That's like floating suspension?
Yeah. Is this floating suspension? So this is what's left of the back? With the repair plates fitted, it was time to begin welding. Taka 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 taka! Oh, it's just tacked in though.
Oh, that's all it needs.
Just little tacks? Couple tacks?
Never done it once.
That's fair. Hello, my dear. What you working on?
Shackle reversal.
Currently, you had to take off.
Drop the exhaust. So we can drill the holes.
Yeah.
Drill the 3 holes through the frame.
Yeah.
There's still mud that's falling. One, ba, ah, ah, ah. Two, ah, 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 ah. Three, ah, 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 ah. I love the sound. Four, ah, ah, ah. Hot,
Oh my god, kids, we're seeing progress today.
Little bit.
A little bit of progress. How's your leaf spring for your pillow?
Awesome.
I get the jobs. Having stickers. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure Turd was being held together by stickers.
When I first put 37s on, we had the clearance at here, and now that we put the shackle reversal inversion kit on, the tire actually is going to be moved an inch forward. So there's no way that these are going to clear, so we're just cutting them off. Daryl kind of thinks I overbuilt my bumper though, because it's 1/4 inch.
Daryl, what you got for us? Oh.
Piece?
Boat anchor.
What anchor?
That's loud. Yeah, that was a nice little hole.
Yeah, so far. So I came in for the corn pop box
Yet.
to make
Oh, that's cool.
some corner pieces to finish that off.
Yeah.
Just to give it a little extra reinforcement. Oh, we've got to find some sheet now. It's the same thickness as this. And the pieces that Daryl cut off his bumper are the same thickness. And they're already bent, so we don't have to worry about trying them in.
And you're recycling.
Right. Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's why Daryl kept them.
So now it's not just mocking it up. You've actually, they're on now.
We're committed.
You're committed.
Not inner fender manipulation.
Inner fender manipulation. We got it.
It's end fender manipulation.
A little more body work. kind of mocked up right now, screwed into place. We're no longer even a Jeep on this side. So that is the A pillar?
Yeah, A pillar. So
Okay.
we had to Daryl's reconstructed the bottom section of it because it was completely rusted and rotted out.
All right, and then that's what he's...
That's
Thank
what
you
he's currently
kindly.
working on that side there.
I should mention that this guy is a welder by trade, CWB. And that guy's a body man.
By many years of experience.
By many, many, many years of experience. We gotta build it safe. Safe, responsible wheeling. That's what we're all about. What's next? What's in our next video? Part 3. Because this is ongoing.
Well, we got the frame mostly buttoned up. We still gotta come up with a little bit better idea on how to mount the rear bumper.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna address this. Gonna change out this front grille. We have a better grille and a power steering cooler that I want to add.
Front grille and axles is what you're working on next then?
And the rear bumper.
And Daryl is still working on...
Body.
Okay, well that's a wrap for us in this video. Be sure to check out part 1 if you haven't seen that already. And look forward to seeing part 3. It looks worse than it is, but it's coming together, I promise you. Alright, well, we'll see you guys hopefully on the trail next time.
Deep and derpa. We're gonna drink beer.
There's no doubt there. And do no work.
We're gonna pretend because we're in the garage. We'll just hammer on stuff, and you guys, you'll think we're working, but
We're coming farther.